Nakakita na ba kayo ng chef na sinusukat yung mga ingredients na nilalagay sa pagluluto nila? Pero meron ding tansya-tansya lang ang pagluluto. They are both good chef, pero they are different. Yung isa, influential or dominant chef. Yung isa naman, corrective chef. One of the behavioral strength ng isang corrective is being accurate. In terms of medicine, importante ang pagiging accurate. Imagine kung ang isang surgeon hindi siya accurate, what will happen? Sa isang building, kung ang engineer hindi accurate yung mga sukat, what will happen? The corrective tertiary, nakikita na nila yung mga problem kahit hindi pa ito dumadating. Minsan, tingin natin they are negative. Yes, they are negative, but they are just stating the fact and possibility. Kaya minsan mahalaga din na hindi tayo masyadong optimistic para still grounded tayo at maging reality yung outcome na gusto natin. If you know someone na they are accurate, be thankful